Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create AI agents which can book appointments for you. First step is Telegram trigger, which just has this bot and accepts new requests from people. Okay, if I created this tool, it will work more slowly because it's going to check first and call this API. I want this agent to be faster, so whenever I can, I hard code it because branches are not added very quickly. So if they add the fourth branch, I'm going to add it, and there's no issue with that. But if you want like dynamic approach, then you can add tool and it will work also. So if I click here, get available slots, I can see that I call this API and I put, can you see? I put these placeholders in terms instead of hard coded values, because when you put these placeholders in brackets, the model AI agent is going to figure out what to put there. So if a person asking about first branch, it's going to put here the first branch's ID. Figure out that he needs, he will check this, okay, service ID. Oh, he will figure out that he needs service ID. So first of all, he will do what? He will run this tool first to get IDs, and then only then call this tool. So after that, he will get all these slots and provide it to the user. And third tool, book appointments. This is the third API method, book record, which needs branch ID. I already explained how you can get branch ID, and then you have these parameters here. This one is just basic Altejo API. Then you will choose this authentication. In my case, it's header authentication with API key. You will use all these parameters. If you don't know what parameters to use for your system, don't worry, you can ask ChatGPT and he will explain you what to put here. Okay, I did it also for in my case I used ChatGPT as well as this API documentation. Why I use API documentation? Because ChatGPT doesn't always know the details. It knows that Altejo has some API, but in some scenarios he will not be fully aware of these details, what parameters and so on. So you want to make sure you use both API documentation as well as ChatGPT. If you're very lazy to read this API, you can just copy the text here, give to ChatGPT and ask him what to do.